Introducing the award-winning IHUBApp, the easiest white-labeled community engagement platform in the world. When it comes to communicating with your tribe, everyone is facing the same problem: communication fatigue. Email fatigue was supposed to be fixed by chats and notifications, but notifications led to alert fatigue. Even engaging your tribe through third-party social media platforms poses challenges. You can't easily organize your numerous communication environments, making it difficult for people to easily access what they need when they need it. And then there's the bigger issue. You don't own what you have built, and that creates concern for accessibility and security. So what's the solution? The award-winning IHUBApp allows any brand the availability to leverage today's most compelling communication technologies combined into one simple platform that you control, customize, and own. What makes the IHUBApp different is that it just works. There isn't a complicated interface to learn, and it works on all devices without ever having to speak to a developer. So let's get started and see what the IHUBApp can do for you. Boy Scouts of America's Circle 10 Council has a community of more than 57,000 kids and 14,000 adult leaders within 25 traditional districts and 3 non-traditional districts. Communicating through multiple channels was a frustrating experience due to the different audiences, multiple devices, and security requirements. They use their IHUBApp as an intranet for communicating internally with their employees, an extranet for communicating with volunteers and parents, and publicly for recruiting, educating, and promoting their mission. They created multiple customizable channels where members can subscribe, like, ask questions, and more. Channel members are easily managed, ensuring the right people receive the right message at the right time. And since alerts and notifications are controlled by each individual member at the channel level, they'd never have to worry about flooding their community with unnecessary communications that would be lost or ignored. With the SMS text notification feature, there is the ability to further manage mass notifications to ensure critical messages are received, whether there is an emergency alert, a significant outage, or breaking news. There's a message center to communicate back and forth with key individuals and groups when you want a more personal dialogue. The events feature makes it easy to RSVP and purchase tickets from directly within their hub. There's even a newsletter digest that is automated and delivers a personalized newsletter based on the member's interests. Our omni-channel focus means that if you have an embed code, you can easily use it within the hub. You can embed calendars, presentations, or live video, just to name a few. All of these features help to reduce the risk of critical communications being lost or missed, because, as we all know, there's nothing more demoralizing than feeling left out. It probably explains why the Boy Scouts of America's Circle 10 Council refers to the IHUBApp as their source of truth. This leads to increased engagement, which in turn results in improved productivity and efficiency for IHUBApp clients. Let's take a quick look at another client using the IHUBApp in a different way. Spotsy Manufacturing has a global distribution network of over 300 distributors and sellers. They had a desire to bring their dispersed global community together more effectively. Their members are added to custom private channels that provide them with the opportunity to follow a variety of critical business items, including product information, training, company news, and competitive intelligence, with access being granted by a Spotsy manager. Members are given the opportunity to post content throughout the IHUBApp directly by using their email or through a robust desktop dashboard based on their access levels. How long does this take to set up, you ask? Within 2 business days, we can take you through the process of bringing your hub to life and training your entire team. By using progressive web app technology, it's instantly ready to work on all devices. There's no easier way to engage your community than with the IHUBApp. Book your next steps with an Inspire Hub representative below. Don't forget to request a demo preview to see all the possibilities for your organization, to learn more, and to play with our features.